उभा राहो 1 मिनिट.
Good morning, students. Today's I have explained subject Computer Studies, Standard 10, lesson number 4, list and table handling in HTML, part 1. This chapter is two topics. First is a list and second is a table. So today I have explained only one topic, list handling in HTML. List handling in HTML. Sometimes there is a need to list different individual entities to present information in the web page. There are 5 types of list in HTML. Out of that, we will learn about the following 3. First is a unordered list. Second is a order list, and third is a descriptive list. First, unordered list, and second name is a bullet list. Second, number or order list, and third is a descriptive list. So I will explain one by one. First, unordered or bullet list. This list contains item along with a symbol. This symbol is also as a bullet. The UL and /UL tag pair is used to create an unordered list in HTML. UL that means unordered list. U that means unordered, and L that means list. UL and /UL tag that is used to unordered list in HTML. Second tag is a LH and /LH. That means a LH. L that means list of heading. The LH and /LH tag is used to provide heading of a list. The item of the list are enclosed within the li and /li tag pair. That means the list item is li and /li tag is used. Type attribute of UL tag is used to change the bullet style. The default shape of a bullet is a filled circle. That is a unordered list. The possible shapes of bullet are as follow. First is a disc, second is a square, and third is a circle. Following two screenshots presents HTML coding of unordered list and its output in the web browser respectively. So that is the example of unordered list. First is a HTML and last is a /HTML. Next is a comment line. Body, font color equals to blue, H1 and unordered list and /H1 over, /font over, comment line. UL that means unordered list. Font size equals to 6. B4 bold. That is a list. List within a li and /li tag. Li chocolates and /li. Li notebook and /li. Li practice book and /li. Li ballpen and /li. Li markers and /li and /b over, /font over, slash ul, that means unordered list is over, slash body over, and slash html over, and save your file with name and then dot html, that is the extension of a html. This is a compulsory, and that is a output. First is a an unordered list, font color equals to blue, and that is a heading, that means a h1, and then chocolate, notebook, practice book, ball pen, and markers, that means ul, uh, that means a by default the fill circle only for use of ul, that means bullet is a fill circle. So that is a chocolates, notebook, practice book, ball pen, and markers, and the above sign is only for fill circle. And you have also change the ul type. So ul type equals to square, that means a square bullet, and ul type equals to circle, that means only for circle, not a fill bullet circle. So that is a unordered list example. Next is a order list, that means number list. An order list contains item along with number or alphabets instead of a bullet. The OL and slash OL tag, pair tag, is used to create a unordered or number list. O, that means order. L, that means list. OL, order list. So you have created a number list. So that means the pair tag OL and slash OL you have also apply, that means a order list. The item of list are enclosed within the li and slash li tag, pair tag. Type attribute of OL tag is used to change the numbering style and patterns. The possible value for type attributes are as follow. You have changed the numbering. OL type equals to 1, that means number 1, 2, 3, and so on. OL type equals to small a, that means lowercase alphabet starting with A, B, C, and so on, as per your list. That means your OL list A, B, C, D, E, F. Capital A, that means uppercase alphabet. Small I, that means lowercase Roman number, 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, that means a lower Roman number. Capital I, that means uppercase Roman number, number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, and so on. That is a use for OL type equals to 1, A, capital A, small I, and capital I. That is a different use of a OL type. Generally, order list always start with the number 1, but one can change the beginning value or later with the start attribute of OL tag. That is an example of a order list. HTML and slash HTML, body, font color equals to blue, h1, and order list slash h1 over, slash font over, and then comment line. OL, that means order list, font size equals to 6, B4 bold, li and slash li, chocolate, li and slash li, ice cream, li and slash li, dry fruit, slash b over, slash font over, slash OL over, slash body over, slash HTML over, and save your file with name and then dot HTML extension. And that is a output of an order list. That is a 1 number, 2 number, and 3 number. And suppose We have also starting with 5th number chocolate, 6th number ice cream, and 7th number dry fruit. So little bit changes. OL start equals to 5. Start equals to 5. And then same content, font size equals to 6, B, align slash li chocolate, align slash li ice cream, align slash li dry fruit slash B over slash font over slash OL slash body and slash HTML. And save your file and preview. So output will be changed. Starting number is a 5th chocolate, 6 is a ice cream, and 7th is a dry fruit. So that is a order list OL example. And third is a descriptive list. Descriptive list, that means descriptive list is used when description along with the list in needed. Information in this list is divided into two parts. The first part consists the name list item, and second part consists the description of the list item. That is a DL and slash DL tag pair is used to create a descriptive list. So starting DL and ending the slash DL. Each item of descriptive list are mentioned using DT and slash DT. That means descriptive data DT and slash DT tag and definition of each item is giving using DDN slash DD tag. That means definition data. And then example of a descriptive list. First is a HTML body, font color equals to brown, H1 and unordered list in various formats slash H1 slash font over comment line, font color equals to blue, H1 and unordered list in default bullet slash H1 over slash font over UL, that means unordered list, font size equals to 6, B, LI chocolate and slash LI, LI ice cream and slash LI, slash B over slash font over slash UL over, that means unordered list. And the next comment line, font color equals to blue, H1 and unordered list is unfilled circle bullets, slash H1 over slash font over UL tab equals to circle, font size equals to 6, B for bold, LI chocolate and slash LI, LI ice cream and slash LI, slash B over slash font over slash UL over, and then comment line. And font color equals to blue, H1 and unordered list in square bullets, slash H1 slash font, UL tab equals to square, font size equals to 6, B for bold, LI chocolate and slash LI, LI ice cream and slash LI, LI dry fruits and slash LI, slash B over slash font over slash UL over, comment line. Font color equals to blue, and that is a main descriptive list is starting. H1 a descriptive list without bullets, slash H1 slash font over slash DL descriptive list, font size equals to 6, B for bold, DT chocolate and slash DT, that is the main content. And then DD and slash DD in between the list is a content list is a dark, second is a fruit and nuts, and third is a milk. Second time DT and slash DT ice cream, that is a flavor of ice cream, vanilla and then chocolate chips. And third is a DT and slash DT dry fruits, almond and cashew nuts. List is a DD and slash DD in between the item, slash bold over slash font over slash DL over comment line is over, slash body over, and slash HTML is over, and save a file with name and extension .html, and that is a output. Open the Mozilla Firefox and Control O, search the file with .html and select your file name and open. Last bottom, a descriptive list without a bullets: chocolates, fruits and nuts, ice cream. That is a output of a various type of format, list format. First is a unordered list, second is a unordered list unfilled circle, third is a square bullets, and then next is a descriptive list, and next nested list. Nested list, that means list within a list, is called nesting of list or nested list. Following two screenshots presents HTML coding of nested list and its output in the web browser respectively. First, open a HCID text editor and then type the coding: HTML body font color equals to blue, h1 and order list slash h1 over slash font over comment line ul on order list, font size equals to 6, b for bold, li chocolate and slash li, font size equals to 4, ol type equals to a, li dark chocolate and slash li fruits and nuts dark slash li slash ol over. That means ul is not over. The main ol is starting from the top. Ol type equals to a, li dark chocolate, li fruits and nuts dark, and slash ol over. That means order list is over, but unordered list is not over. Slash font over comment line, and the second part li ice cream and slash li ol type equals to a, font size equals to 4, li vanilla and slash li chocolates chips and slash li, and slash font over slash ol over. That means order list is over. Comment line, and then slash b bold over slash font over slash ul, that means unordered list over, and slash body and slash html over. That means unordered list within a use of a order list. That means a nested list, and that is a output. And order list, first is a unordered list chocolates, and then inner side is a order list, a dark chocolate and b fruits and nuts dark, and second time on order list is open, that means ice cream, and then under the a vanilla and b chocolate chips. That means on order list within a order list. That means a nested list. First topic is over. Our remaining part of a next session record content of table. How to create a table with HTML coding. So I will explain in next session. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.